Okay, this is a Blue M MO 1450 SA. The temperature ranges from 40 to 300 Celsius. Right now I'm running at 299. And I'm using a TGAN with a K-type thermocouple in through one of these ports here, and we're reading pretty close to 299. Here's an offset adjustment that can be done on the controller. Oh, while we're here, I do have so you'll get a copy of the instructions on how to program the controller. It's the Solo 4848 made by Automation Direct. Alright, so what I want to do is I just want to explain there are two alarms being used on the system. Alarm 1 is for a buzzer, and we'll hear that go off. I have it set to 300. And then we also have the alarm 3, which is used for the overtemp. And what happens there is once it hits, I have the overtemp set for 300. Once it hits 300, it's going to open up a contactor in here. So what I'll do is I'm just going to go ahead and down. I'm going to set the temperature up to 300. That's the max temp we can set. I'll hit set. And what we'll see, we're going to see this rise up. Once it goes over 300, we're going to see the alarm 3 activate, and what happens there is this value will start flashing, and also because I have alarm 1 set, we'll hear the buzzer. And that's just, I'm using alarm 1 just to show that it does work. Again, it's just being used as a buzzer, or an alarm buzzer. Now I heard the contactor open up here, and then we'll just let this run for a while, and we'll be able to hear it. I had it running before that way. Oh, there it goes. So you hear your buzzer working. You can see, it's actually the process values flashing to tell you that you're over temp. And what's happening, there's a contactor, the main contactor for the power leading out to the heater is opening and closing. That way you're not allowed to heat the heater anymore electrically. There is an additional fail-safe over temp here on the side with this red button. So in case you have a problem with your temperature controller, that is always your third protection for over temp. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'll bring down the temperature. I'm going to set it to 200. We'll just show you that it does control that 200. You'll read this in the instructions here, but just one of the things to take note is pressing this, you need to be in the run mode. Here's our two alarms. Alarm 3 set for 300. Local is off. That's the amount of output right now going to the heater, so it's 0%. Again, you have run here. You can always change that to stop. You want to leave it in run by hitting set and it'll stop flashing. So when it needs to be programmed, you'll see that there's a flashing going on. All this, here's our alarm 1. I had set to 300. So again, alarm 1 is a buzzer at 300 or above. The buzzer will turn on. The alarm 3, that's our over temp, 300. So, and one final thing is we do have 2 ports. This is for a cool air intake. So I'm going to open that up slightly here. This will cool it down a little bit faster, down to 200, and then you have an exhaust here too. So we'll come back in a few minutes, maybe 10-15 minutes, and we'll see you controlling at 200. Okay, you can see we're controlling at 200. We're reading here on our P game. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to bring the temperature down to a low setting, say 25 or something like that, and then we'll open it up and take a look at the inside of the two shelves. That's good enough. I'll open the two ports here, cool air intake. And to open this door, you need to push on the bottom here, and it'll click close. And to close it, you just press on the bottom. So the air is circulating this way, in this direction. And you have two shelves.